2016 Renault Trucks Master 125.35 long wheelbase, 2298cc 2.3 DCI, 145 bhp E5C, Euro 5. Front-wheel drive, LUTON, box, white, genuine 187k miles, excellent runner, starts and drives really well, automatic, boost pipe is split, drive belt pulley slightly noisy, automatic gearbox is great, electric windows, aircon, cruise control, 2 former keepers, MOT until 3rd June 2023, overall a very good rare automatic low loader, ready to work. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.